get it done like this. The next level, as you can see, is not too perfect, but I'm going to make it perfect. Keep watching. I'll show you what I'm going to do next to get it perfect. Yes, it's cleaner. It's perfect for me. You can see how smooth it is. Guys, hello YouTube. Yes, welcome to this one. This is another one. If you don't know, this is back cover seat for Trans Am 1979 model. Yes, this is it. Yes, this is the car still on it. This is the seat. Yes, the back cover there. In this video, I am going to show you how to restore this. As you can see how the thing is peeling off. You can see that how it's peeling off, so it's not good. If you are going to put leather on it, I don't know how it's going to come out. Yes, it's not going to look nice. Me, I'm going to do it on my own way by restoring the face, the surface, then paint it. So to get it done, yes, I'm going to show you the process how to restore it. So already I've done one. You can see this. So I've done it. It pretty come out well and still strong. So I am going to show you how I'm going to get the second one done. Let's get into it. To get it started, you're just going to be needing scissors and a razor. Yes, this is not really razor, but this is just like razor blade. This is all I'm going to be using. So watch me as I get it. This work is a time of consuming, yes, to do it. So I'll just be doing it and I'll fast forward the video. I'll show you the process, but still going to, I know you understand. Let's get into it. So just going to Okay guys, as you can see, this is where this razor blade come into play. Yes, you can see the way I'm getting it done. I'm going to use this razor now to scrape the middle. The reason being is the scissors cannot go more than this. You see, if I'm going to do like this, it's going to damage the new surface. You must have to keep it laid down like this, as you can see, like this, and scrape. Don't scrape like this, you will damage the new surface. So that is why I am going to use this. I am going to use the razor like this. Yes, you can see how I get it done. So this is it, guys. I get it done like this. The next level, as you can see, is not too perfect, but I'm going to make it perfect. Keep watching. I'll show you what I'm going to do next to get it perfect. Okay, guys, so right now I prepare myself. This is sandpaper. Yes, this is sandpaper P150, and this is 320. So I am going to start with 150. I'm putting water because it's plastic, and if you don't put water, the dust will not move out. It will be staining like this. You can see how it's staining. Yes, that's why I'm putting water. This is simple. Yes, easy. Plastic will not take me time to sound it. I'm done with this side. I move on to the next area, the second side. So I finish with the 150. Yes, and I move on to 220. Yes, like so. I'm just going to sound it just to blend it off. There's not much energy to it. That is it. And I'm going to clean it off. Yes, cleaning it, then that is it. So I am going to get this done, the second side, then I'll show you the next step. Okay, guys, as you can see, yes, it's clean, huh? It's perfect for me. You can see how smooth it is. So I'm going to be spraying it a primer print.